Hey, welcome back guys, and thanks for joining me today. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Auxbeam Aux-Trend 12-inch floodlight bar with a green atmosphere light. Now, if you're in the market to purchase a light bar, then you're going to want to stick around, as we're going to be doing a review, an install, and a demo of this light bar. So right now it's on the table. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to install it. We're going to take it out on the back roads. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to see just what kind of light this thing puts out. So let's get started. So to keep the cost down, Auxbeam packaged the light bar in pretty much a plain unmarked box. There's no thrills, there's no need to spend a whole lot on writing or painting or anything like that, and I'm good with that. So without any further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. So the package came in a pretty much a little plastic bag, got two boxes taped together and cut loose. The first box contains the wiring harness, the second box contains the light. So let's go ahead and unbox these and pull out this light and see what it looks like. So in this first box, we're going to open up, we have the wiring harness. Wiring harness comes with your switches. You have one for the white, one for the green, and we also have a couple of relays that are connected to the harness and our connectors to connect to our light. And of course your battery connectors here, which we'll install to the battery. And our second box is the light itself. And when we unbox that, we want to open this up. And there it is. So when we pull it out, we have a couple of foam packaging here on the ends. We have the light bar itself, and we also have the hardware that is used for mounting it to your vehicle. So you have everything that you need to get started. You have your light bar, you have your brackets for attaching to the light bar, you have your spacers that attach to the bracket and the light bar. You also have your bolts and your lock washers to attach the bracket to the light bar. And you also have the mounting bolts to attach to your vehicle, to attach to the brackets. Now the light bar features a nice anodized aluminum body. It also features aluminum end caps. And there is no plastic on this other than the polycarb front. On the back, you have aluminum fins which dissipate the heat when the light is on. The Auxbeam light bar features 4 LED lights, each one being 7 watts, total of 28 watts. So the overall build quality of this is pretty impressive. It's very heavy, it probably weighs around 3 pounds. You have your light in here, and you can see your D-rings. They will project that light for the floodlight out about 60 degrees. So far, I'm liking this unit. Very nice. Auxbeam did a very good job, very reasonable price. Now there were no instructions that came with the box, but the wiring diagram is pretty straightforward. You have your switch, which will mount inside into your cab, which has a connector to it. That makes it handy. So you just run this through the cab of your truck under the engine hood, and then from there it'll plug into your wiring harness, which runs to your relays, which is connected to also 30 amp fuse box right here. These ends here will connect to your battery, of course, and then this end here will also connect to your light bar. Now on the end of the light bar, we just have some bare wires, so we're going to end up installing some wire terminals and be able to plug this in. So within an hour we should have this installed and tested. So hang in there, we'll get this thing installed and we'll show you what it looks like as we turn it on. Now to test out the light, we went ahead and added connectors to our wires, and we went ahead and connected them up. So the yellow goes to the white, the black goes to black, and the red goes to red. So the red is the white LED, yellow is the green LED, black is the chassis ground. So we'll turn off the lights and we'll give this thing a test, and we're just going to see how bright this puppy is before we install it on the truck. So let me turn out the light. Actually, let me find the switch here first. So your switch has a green and red. So red is for the white LED, green for the green, and we'll set that there. Turn out the light, turn the green on first, see what that looks like, and then we'll hit the white. Alright, so here goes the green. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Nice and bright. Nice and bright. So you have that hooked to the front of your rig. When you're pulling into your RV parks, you're not blinding everybody with your headlights and everything, so they'll appreciate that. Nice green halo effect. Now we'll try the white. Oh, but Jesus, now I can't see. Man. Yeah, that's pretty bright. I like that. Whew. Very good, very good. Yeah, that's going to make a nice addition to the front of the pickup. You'll be able to see for quite a distance with that. So, white light, green light, and let's try them both on. Get that nice little green halo effect around your white light. That is very nice. I am impressed with this little light. Whew, puts out some shine. Alright, so we're doing the install right now. So on the front, on the bumper here, we just drilled a couple of holes once we figured out where we wanted to mount the light.
Zip ties.
Drilled the holes. Run the bolt through, nut and washer on the other side, and we run our wiring underneath. So that's kind of what we're doing right now. Making sure that we got a good connection here underneath. Wire tying everything so they don't sag down. So the wire comes in, wraps around our battery here, and all of our relays and everything are sitting here for right now. And we've got a ground wire connected to the chassis back here, and we've taken our red wire positive and we have connected to our battery. The rest of our harness goes across, and we run it under this cowling through the door, and basically tucked it in here where our speaker wires would go under the dash. And then we'll just make our connection for our switch, and we should be on and off, ready to go. Alright, so after all the wire is run, we went ahead and closed the hood, and we've got our light set up here on the inside. I'll show you where we stuck the switch. Switch is here, and it sticks nice and neat like. So white light, or green light, white light, and white and green. So we'll test it and show you what it looks like on the front, then we'll wait till it's dark. Alright, so now we're getting ready to test. Green light, alright, and then a white light, and then we'll do the green and white. There we go. Sweet. So that should give us some glow in the dark. That looks pretty cool. Alright, we'll wait till it's dark, and then we'll show you what it looks like out in the boondocks. Alright, so that's the shot with the headlights on. Go ahead and kill your headlights, and then turn on your spotlight, or your floodlight. Ooh, nice and bright. And with the headlights, enhances the driving. So there's a link in the description below. If you go there and you go to their website, use the code 12LB, you'll get 12% off the regular price, which brings it about $28 and some change. But anyway, check out their link, check out their website. They've got a lot of cool things on there, not just this light, but a lot of other different light bars and accessories that I'm sure you're gonna like. So now's a good time to go there, take a look, and remember, in the description below is a link to their site, and use their promo code 12LB and get your discount for 12% off.